Hello everyone! Welcome to Neha's Art Club! Today we are going to learn how to draw beautiful girl with beautiful dress. Firstly, draw a vertical line and mark the way shown on the video. The measurements are shown too. I'm using acrylic color here, but you can use pastel, or watercolor, or any other color that you want. In this stage for giving the dress beautiful design, I'm using cotton buds and acrylic color. I'll suggest you to use acrylic color here. The drawing is complete now. Thank you for watching till the end. If you like the video, make sure to leave comment and subscribe to my channel.